Hey gang, I'm that doll guy. Welcome back to my channel. Here we are again. 2 videos in one day, but that must be a record for me. So I'm here with another Anouk doll series 5 for review. I did a series 4 review a few weeks ago. Got her on the secondary market. Didn't wow me at all. I don't know, like I figured that's all I could afford at the time. However, the price second market to directly from the dealer, who her creator is Nav Sakand, a friend of mine on Facebook, is virtually the same. So you might as well go for fresh, I guess. So except, if you guys want to buy my series 4 on eBay, look for it. She's really cute. She's cute. I just didn't bond with her. She's an ash blonde. I'm more of a platinum blonde kind of boy, as you can see with this latest one. And I felt like, because I got the first one from the secondary market, the outfit I think was cobbled together from other pieces and not what I would have chosen. So this is like a fresh from the box NRFB Anouk. That is mine. She is like I said, series 5. So series 4 had that bright makeup, which I normally like, but I felt like, I don't know, just for me it wasn't suiting her. So this gal Nav went back to a more muted regular color kind of makeup. So we'll talk about that. So the first thing I wanted to experience was the unboxing experience. I'm pretty new to indie dolls. I have some Fabiolas, which are my #1 favorite. The unboxing from the creators, Mike Buse, the unboxing is just an experience. I've talked about the unboxing experience of a Fabiola. It's just, excuse me, that Mike Buse just puts his soul into that stuff. It's very personal, very specialized. And so I want to kind of see how this experience was. I might get other indie dolls in the future. Depends on what I can afford, because a lot of them are either hand-painted, handmade, or enhanced by the creators. Hi, baby. There's Mango again. My baby. Obviously they tend to be like a little bit more expensive. Plus they have, the costs are a little bit higher for indie creators because they don't have a big company. So with, I don't know what they call it, capital, principal, whatever that business lingo is. So they tend to be a little bit more on the expensive side. They're obviously better quality than mass-produced dolls and just have that special touch by the creator. So the unboxing experience from this gal, she got shipped over from France in her cylinder tube. I have to apologize. Mango got a hold of this top when I first opened her and gave a little bit of a chew. So you're gonna see that my tube's already ruined, defective because of my dog. But you know what? I think it just adds to the specials of it because it's Mango. So she came in a basic box. She came in her cylinder with all of her items inside, and it was well padded. So the experience from unboxing was pretty standard from what you'd order from anybody else. So there wasn't anything truly special with the unboxing, as opposed to Fabiola. You get like the pink crinkle paper and the handwritten note, and just a cute little perfume box, and it's just this kind of cute. This is more like throwback to the Build Lily times, or those dolls that used to come in plastic cylinders. So if you're craving that vintage feel of the cylinder container that a lot of us have experienced when they were younger or before we were born. Oh, I see my dog sniffing. I hope you're not thinking of doing what you did in that last video, sweetie. So if you're looking for that displayable piece with the cylinder look from the late 50s, early 60s, then you're gonna really like this container. But the unboxing wasn't, it wasn't, it was just pretty standard. It wasn't, sorry, I just wiped away a notification from my messenger. Anyway, so, but it was safely packaged. It was really nice. It was secure, but it wasn't this experience that you'd get from, maybe a Fabiola doll. I haven't experienced Mary Magpie or Miss Monday or a Caprice or a Lelka from Julian Stanislavski, but maybe someday. So anyway, so she came with some extras. I'm honest on every review. So my first impression is she's totally cute. I love the hair color and the shine. You can tell that it's really nice hair. And I did change out her ribbon though, because her ribbon was blue or light blue or gray. I'm colorblind, but I thought a pink one just would look better. So I did change out the original headband for this one. To match her outfit. This is the Bond Street outfit. So you're able to choose with Nav's dolls, the Anouk dolls. You can choose your skin tone, their hair color, possibly the hairstyle, outfit, and things like that. Outfits aren't mix and match. They are just complete outfits. So, you know what? But that's cool. I did inquire to Nav about maybe having, can you order pieces separately? That's not an option this time. Kind of wish it was. That'd be kind of nice. And we'll talk about the booklet because the booklet speaks to fashions. So we'll talk about that in a minute. When I got my gal, the only issue was her sunglasses. Like, I found like a piece of plastic on the side of her head, like on the bow of her hair, and I wasn't sure what that was. And then when I took her out, I realized that I don't know if she had these on her head maybe, but the bow was broken, and so the glasses were, and the stuff were on the bottom of the cylinder. This came in a special baggie. And I think the stand did too in the booklet. But this was just kind of loose. And so what I did was I just kind of had to, it wasn't enough to bother me, but I just glued them with just the smallest bead of super glue on the head of a pin. Because I was hoping to be able to still keep it, because like the one side can't, they fold in. But I can't fold in on their side because they're glued in place. And I was hoping to just get just the main stump of the thing and not get the hinge, but I didn't get it, so it's stuck in place. So anyway, so she wears her glasses, then they don't fold down. Not a huge deal. It ain't a big deal. It might be a big deal to other people, but what can you do? My friend lives in France. I'm not going to bother him and say, hey, send me another pair of sunglasses from France, or eyeglasses, I mean. So anyway, they're cute. They're like totally 1960s, 50s, kind of almost cat eye. We have a stand. He did see my video of the Series 4 where I called the first stand version like a She Whiz. And honestly, I'm still not a fan of the stand. I don't understand. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm not using it right. I don't know. That's not a Kaiser stand. I typically use Kaiser stands. I tried to use a stand. I think it kind of worked, but then I was afraid of poking her in the hoo-ha with this pole. And maybe, I don't know, like, I think she has underpants on. I don't want to cheap doll stand. Oh, don't look at the Hobby Lobby. I'm a trader. Anyway, I think I didn't look underneath her dress. So, typically the other one she had, if my stuff is crooked, it's because this is kind of like a little bit bubbly, so it makes my stuff all kind of weird and uneven, so I have to compensate for my lens angle. But anyway, so I don't know if she's underpants, but anyway, yeah, I don't understand this. I don't get it. So it might just be me. Maybe somebody can explain to me how these things work, these stands. I'm not a fan of them. She come with a cute little radio. I tried to... There's just cute little details. I tried to use some Tackum gum to kind of have her be able to hold the radio, but it wouldn't stick. So I don't know, if it's just her this or like this that won't tack on for very long. It just kind of kept falling off. I tried to kind of do it like this, and I tried to like do it like this, but then you can't see the face of the radio in her hand. She could probably hold it under her arm, maybe like a purse. What's the point of that then? So the radio, if it would have had a little handle, that would have been cute. She would have been able to hold it. But at the very least, it can go, like, if you have like a diorama, or if you have a little special dollhouse for Anouk, this could be just a nice little accessory for her to listen to. So it's cute. I've seen other dolls have, I think, like a little bit maybe more useful accessories. And we can take a look inside the book and double check. So, of course, I'm doing this one-handed. So this is the book. Stop. Oh, we're going to have a massive chaos now. Stop, babies, 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 babies. Fix it, Jesus. Shh. As you can see, Mango's the good one. Okay. Shh. I'm trying to make a video. You're being... Shh. Maisie Lynn, you're being rude. Stop. Maisie Lynn, stop. Maisie Lynn. Maisie, stop. She hates our neighbor. Hopefully he's not watching my channel. But anyway. Stop, baby. So here's the booklet. And there's my girl right on the inside cover. But I like these booklets. They obviously harken back to... Stop, baby. They harken back to... the Barbie days when she had a handbook. And she's modeled after, like, I think a French doll named Caprice, I believe. And I'm not sure if Caprice, if these were like our vintage Caprice elements, you know. But if you see like a guitar, that's kind of cute. Purse is nice. That's cute fashion. That's a really pretty fashion. She has a clutch. So maybe like they should have just a purse or something. Instead of like an accessory like this that, you know, I don't know what you're going to do with much with the radio, but it's still cute. Oh, I wish I could turn the pages. Lame. Add the booklet, my ability to... And that telephone, that's really cute. Like, that's not a bad accessory. So, you'll see there's a variety of hairstyles and everything. That's a cute... That Piragi, that's a cute outfit. So, these show the various outfits. I wish I could open the page where mine is. God. I don't know, guys. She's in here somewhere. But anyway, so she's cute. But anyway, so like these are very reminiscent of the fashion booklets with Barbie. And so I kind of wish, I guess if you're going to do the booklet, these are, you know, you have to buy these dolls and get the fashions with them, you know, that you can choose from the selection, but you can't buy just outfits. And I kind of wish you could, because then that would make this booklet make just a little bit more sense if you could actually buy these fashions separately and build a little wardrobe for your girl, especially if you get just one. Like I said before, I think she's a 10 and 10.5 inch scale, so she's just a little bit shorter. She might be more like mid-size or like Barbie fashionista, petite size, so not the worst, but I kind of... If you're not going to be like 11.5 inch, I would like probably like a more expensive wardrobe for this particular doll that you could buy. But of course, you can look on Etsy and find outfits, and there's probably different dress makers that could make outfits to the size. So let's talk about the doll herself. After all that, so look at the very shiny hair, cute bangs. Now, after I changed out her hair ribbon, it took a little bit of daring do, and her hair got like a little bit wild. I'm like, oh, I ruined her. But I was able to kind of just tone it down with just some warm water, and I put her little, she come with like a little, you can see the like little crimp. She had like a little hairband on to hold her hair down. So I just put that back on, and good as new. I really like her face. This face makeup, I do like better than the high color. I'm usually, like, you all know I'm a high colored guy. Like, I like bright makeup and lots of makeup. But for some reason, I think this gal just seems more innocent. So if you like Fabiola, you're going to like sexy dolls. This girl is more toned down. She's not sexy at all. She's just cute and fashionable. She'd be like almost maybe like the Midge or Skipper to a Fabiola or whoever. But she does have nice makeup though. Her makeup is nice. The pink lip is pretty. She has some high colored cheeks, and she has a darker shadow rather than the aquamarine blue of the series 4. The bottom outfit is cute. Those are real buttons, and she's got like a real fabric turtleneck long sleeve. Look at the hair, is very shiny and very pretty. Don't mind the little hairband crimp. That was, like I said, that was from just being, you know, held on with the, don't fall. See, my flooring is cockeyed and bubbly. Cute socks that match everything. I just like how this matches. And I love pink and white, and I like pink. When I first saw this gal, it reminded me very much of like Gwen Stacy from the Spider-Man comics from the 60s. She just looked very cute and very, you know, mod. Her shoes are a cork wedge sandal with some, I don't know what kind of material that is for the strap, but I mean, they don't look the most sturdy. And that's because that one looks a little maybe frayed. So I would be very careful with these, but that's real cork. And the sole is nice. But like I said, come on now. There we go. Like that little frayed part, it worries me. So, but we don't play rough. They're just mostly for display and photography anyway. So, oh good Lord, come on, Jim, get it together. I mean, come on, real dog, I get it together. Anyway, so the skirt is very crisp and very nice and neat. It's not wrinkled. The overall experience of opening her was just kind of generic, but she's super cute. And if you're into indie dolls, she will fit in as the sensible best friend, or I mean, some people obviously you can do a totally Anouk focused storyline on Instagram or in the Facebook groups or with photography. I mean, she can definitely hold her own in her world. But for those of us who kind of like the more vampy vixens, she would be like the nice, sensible, good girl next door, goody two shoes kind of friend. That's what my idea is for my Anouk, for my Fabiolas, and maybe other indies I may get. Because like I said, I typically just collect sexier dolls or make them sexier. But I do like her wholesomeness. She's wholesome, and that's a good thing. So, anyway, this is my Fabiola Series 5. I am selling the Series 4 on eBay just to kind of free up some funds and space for something I love just a little bit better. But this one will stay in my collection for a while. You know how we all kind of, change our taste change over time. So we'll see what Avengers Anouk has, either on her own or with some friends. But share your comments below what you think of Anouk Series 5. And feel free to look for her Facebook group on Facebook and Instagram. So we'll see you all later. Enjoy your day.